Hello and welcome for the next flourishing letters. This is the part B. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Now let's get started with flourishing letters. Okay, the second part, in this second part we'll be using many strokes. Okay, so today's word is, let's get started with the word joy. Okay, for word joy, first of all we'll just take the last video. If you are not view the last video, please see that. In that I have shown you the tricks of making. Okay, just we'll take the two lines, 2 centimeter each. Okay, and now we just make a J. Okay, after making a J, because downward A is doubled, so we'll double the J. Okay, and now we will make an oval. Okay, so we'll make an oval and the downward is doubled. Okay, and then we will make the string. Then U, first of all you have to make a U. For all the basic letters you can view my last videos. Okay, so with this U we'll make a stroke. Okay, and this is Y. The loop, yeah, this is an oval loop. Okay, as in the last video I told you how to make an oval loop, this is also a oval loop. Now we'll double it off, downward dark, upward light. Okay, upward light, and wherever downward is there, so we'll double it off. Okay, and now I have doubled. Okay, this is, I have doubled. Okay, and now your word is complete. Okay, this is how your joy word looks like. Okay, now we'll fill it off. Okay, just for your instance I have just made this part somewhat fast forward. Okay, because it will consume a lot of time. I'm just filling the downward part. Okay, you will also fill the downward part. Okay, with the, yeah, with your pencil. Okay, and all the downward parts will be filled like this, right, with your pencil, and we'll get started. Okay, all the downwards you will fill. I'll just speeden up because now then the video will be really very large, so it will take a lot of time. So I just fast forwarded this thing. So your word is almost completed, and now this is the loop. Okay, we have created this loop. It's an oval loop. Okay, and I just darken the parts. Okay, I have just darkened the parts, and so the downward is also somewhat complete, and this is how you'll, yeah, now your word is totally complete. Okay, right, just brushing up all the strokes. Okay, and this is how your word is complete. Right, I'm just brushing up. This is your oval. Okay, this is your oval. Yeah, this is an oval, and here it is an oval. Okay, and this is an oval. So with this our word joy is complete. Okay, now the next word which we are taking, the next word is a baseline word. The next word we'll take moments. Okay, the next word is moments. We'll start with letter M. Okay, the same thing, double line. Okay, between the lines. Okay, yeah, 2 centimeter each, and downward is dark, so it is doubled. Okay, in this video I'll tell you how to flourish your letters and how to beautify your letters. Okay, how to beautify your letters. Right, absolutely right. So it's done. Okay, M is done. So O, letter O, oval, downward is dark, so it is doubled. Make a string. Okay, and the letter M. So M is upward light, downward dark. Okay, same thing, upward light, downward dark. Okay, so it is E will make upward light, downward dark. Okay, and then the letter N will just connect, then the letter is N. Yeah, this is the letter N. Upward light, downward dark. Moment. Okay, and the last word is T. Okay, so you are ready with the words moment. Okay, some flourishing we'll do. Okay, just we'll complete S also. Okay, for all the letters, for all the things if you need, so it is in my the last videos which I have given you. In last videos you will see all the basic words. Okay, all the ascending and the descending letters, so you'll know how to make them. In this video I'm telling how to flourish your words. Okay, so i'm just beautifying your I'm just beautifying our text. Okay, our flourishing letters, and some loops I am making. Yeah, and this is also a loop. Okay, just normal sweet loops. Okay, so and with M we'll make an huge oval. Okay, this is your this what we are making. It's our that drills which I told you. Okay, so with this your word moment is ready. Okay, so now the next part of the video, so I have just speeden up for you unless it will take a lot of time. So now the darkening part. Okay, all the downward strokes will be filled with our pencil. Okay, you have to fill everything with the pencil. Okay, so I am also doing that only. I have just fast forwarded the video so that we can learn more words. Okay, so by this I'm just fast forwarding this, and all the downward strokes are darken up, so I'm darkening the all downward related strokes. Okay, and now I'm at M. Okay, with that M is also darkened. Now E, just smoothening the strokes and smoothening the darkening part. Okay, now letter N. Okay, now letter N is also darken up. Okay, now letter N is also darken up. Now the next letter is letter, the next letter is letter T. I'm just darkening the letter T part also. Okay, we have just fast forwarded the video because then the video will take a lot of time. Okay, so now the last letter is letter S. I'm just giving the crease lines and just darkening the down part and the up part. Downward, all the downwards are darken up. Okay, we have made the double line. Okay, now the loop which we have made, this loop. Okay, the T loop. I'm just darkening this. Okay, and and this basic drills I told you, these basic drills. Now we come to our next final letter. Okay, you have to guess which letter I am making. This is the final letter which we are making. The letter is peace. Okay, now peace is start with P. Okay, why I have taken a half line? Because we are making the drills, right? Now these are the drills. Okay, these are the drills. Okay, so with these drills all the downwards are doubled, so you have to double the downward. All the downward strokes should be doubled. Okay, So just double all the strokes. Okay, upward light, downward dark. So we have doubled, and the piece loop also. Okay, just finish. Yeah, just give a clean finish to your strokes as I have given. Yeah, very good. Now just double it off, downward dark and downward double. Okay, now E, same for any of the queries for your baseline letters. You can see my last videos. In the last videos, all the baseline letters and all the basic letter formation is given, so you'd experiment those letters with different flourishing letters. Okay, and how to connect them I am telling you. Now this is C letter. Just make the stroke. Yeah, awesome, very good. Now C is made. Okay, and the last word is E. Okay, yeah, so this is our letter E, and this is how your piece is complete. Okay, now we'll make a loop. Yeah, this is the flourishing loop. Okay, and this is how our flourishing figure is done. Yeah, so this is how our flourishing loop is done. Okay, I have just completed and cleaned up all the. Yeah, now the next part is coloring of this. Okay, means the darkening. Now just to tell you, I have just fast forwarded this part because I want to teach you many words. So with this thing we have fast forwarded the darkening part. All the downward are darkened up with the pencil strokes, so you would also do the same. Okay, so come on, let's get started with this thing, and I am just completing the stroke. So we'll complete. I just fast forwarded this to tell you many of the tricks. Okay, so this thing is now fast forwarded, and now let's get started with other things. Okay, so I'm just completing the word piece, and just giving a darken effect all the downward strokes. Okay, all the downward strokes are darken up, and so this is how our piece word is completed. Okay, this is how our piece word is completed, and now the last letter is left. Now the last letter is letter E. Okay, now the last letter is letter E. I'm just giving a effect to it. Okay, just darkening the strokes. Okay, upward light is there. Okay, so nothing is there. Downward dark is there, so all the downwards are darken off. Okay, all the downwards are darken off, and you have to complete this thing with darkening with the pencil. Okay, so I'm just completing this. Okay, yeah, so this is how your word piece is. Okay, completed. I'm just okay, now this is totally done. So this is how your all the sheets, all your flourishing letters look like. Please do subscribe our channel and join our course for the flourishing letters. Thank you and have a nice day.